What's up, guys? Just another day in the kitchen. Today's a special one. Today we attended Sneaker Games Orlando 2018. This is just going to be a quick video recap of what it's like in case you've never been to a sneaker convention or to Sneaker Games. Before we get any further, we want to actually shout out Sneaker Games for doing an awesome job hosting everybody. It's really dope to see the actual sneaker community in Florida and wherever people traveled from out here selling, trading, and just rocking sneakers in general. So if you see yourself in the video, make sure you tag your Instagram or tag your YouTube. Let's network. Thank you guys for cooking with us. I'm not going to talk too much during this. I want you guys to see the heat. I'm going to tag as much people as I can that I can recognize. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And make sure you guys are following us on Instagram at We Don't Cook Food. And what was your guys' favorite thing that you saw? Tag it in the comments.
Planes in Orlando.
I pull up on them, snap on them. What you want my house, what you from my house, keep shooting it to somebody that so many shots, they don't look at the camera. I thought it was funny. Hey, but that shit straight to the booth. Hey, talking my head with the boost. Hey, she said one for bitch I do. Hey, you put a gun on my mess. Hey, I put a hole in your parents. Hey, I just got laid on my stories. Hey, I got a Uzi on Uzi. Follow me, hey, look at drown like brown white diamond. Happy sound like got two wings. Alright, landing down. I pull up on them, snap on them. What you want my house, what you from my house, keep shooting it to somebody that so many shots, they don't. At the camera, I thought it was funny.